Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Before we will start, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required to be able to check the updates. So as I said, let's enter the system and tap on System Update, which is on the second position of the list. Now we have to tap on Online Update. And as you can see, your device will look for the updates, and you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your system is up to date, there's nothing to download. And the second scenario is when your device will actually find the update. So it will find it, it will of course show you the information about it. So for example, the name of it, what has been fixed, what has been added, the release date, etc. And then you will be able to tap on not check for updates, but download or install or update, something like that. Simply tap on it and then your device will download the update and apply it successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.